So, setting boundaries with our tweens and teens starts long before they have their smartphone. Odds are good you've been setting boundaries since the beginning of their time. You have had boundaries around routines in their life, what is okay and not okay to do in your home, and they are given a host of boundaries at school. Boundaries are really easy for some parents and a huge struggles for others. How we grew up does impact us, whether we like it or not. Some parents do the exact opposite of their own upbringing, others do the exact same, and many do some variation. Then you throw in your kid's unique temperament, with some kids being very easy and agreeable, and others who are obstinate right from the start. Needless to say, no matter how you grew up or what temperament your child has, boundaries are an essential aspect of life. Boundaries let people know what to expect, how to behave, how to give and receive respect, what is okay in relationship to them. They keep people organized and on task and are essential for optimal health. According to Dr. John Townsend and Dr. Henry Cloud, who wrote numerous books, including the 10 Laws of Boundaries and Boundaries with Kids, says growing up without boundaries leads to a host of problems like the inability to hear or say no, the incapacity to delay gratification, difficulty confronting others and solving problems and conflict, and other numerous downfalls. They also say if boundaries are clear, children develop several qualities, including a well-defined sense of who they are, what they are responsible for, and the ability to choose. When it comes to devices, boundaries don't have to be set times, like only 1 hour on your device. Boundaries can be about having more balance in their life. For example, if they've been on their device for a long time, you might set a boundary like, you've been on your phone for a while. Let's balance out your day and spend some time together as a family.